Hi guys, we're back with my RV remodel, and today I'm going to attempt to roll the new carpet out onto the floor. Got to do some vacuuming here first, and we've already ripped the old carpet out, and we went to a place called Bob's Carpet Mart in Tampa, and they actually matched or sketched our design out of the carpet layout when we took it in there to them, and they've already cut it for us and put the seams on the edge. So can't wait to get that down, see how it looks. You'll be joining me today as we take a look at the renovation. Guys, it's looking really good. Smells like a new house in here with the new carpet down. Seems like they cut it. Has a pretty good fit there. Now it's sticking up a little bit here because I've got mounting bolts for the dinette, and there's some seatbelt mounting bolts down there. So the carpet is lifting up. Got this nice edging that they sewed on here for us. Matches pretty well to the tile. Yeah, pretty nice fit. It's like a sand color. I don't know if you can make it out in the video there. There's not a lot of light in here today. Alright guys, carpet is down, and I think I'm going to attempt this, and that's replacing this greenish brown wallpaper here. And first I'm going to have to uninstall these window valance casings all the way down. This is the wallpaper that we chose. New wallpaper, peel and stick. And it's got like a woven pattern. Looks pretty neat. So let me get started on this first section. I'm going to remove this casing around the window.
Where are you going? Going so fast tonight. Have you ever stopped beside the road to smell the rose of life? Take a breath now. Don't hold it in too long, 'cause you might end up missing out on life's short little song. She's saying, ooh, you've got one life to live. She's singing, ooh, you've got one life to live, don't let it go. Ooh, you've got one life to live. She's singing.
Alright guys, I had to take a time out and go get some more tools. These are the tools if you're going to install this self-stick or peel and stick wallpaper. I believe you're going to need, and I think it's going to go a lot quicker and faster for me now. I needed some, plastic knives to get in there. It wouldn't be real sharp, but just to get into the corners and make sure that it's adhered to the wall properly. I needed a square for marking lines and cutting, and a smaller level, and also a nice sharp utility knife. And that should do it for you guys.
Away in the night, well, sometimes it just feels right. Possessed by the moonlight, well, sometimes you let it in, sometimes you'll get it. Don't wait for the sun, don't wait for the sun. Baby, don't leave me, just dance and believe in it. Don't cross the line. Let the temperature rise now. Here in the moonlight. Don't wait for the sun. Don't wait for the sun. Baby, don't leave me. Just dance and believe in it. Get on up, baby. You get it. Get on up, baby. You get it. Get on up, baby. Come on. Let's get it on. Let me show you how. Assume I'm right. Sometimes just let it. Sometimes just let it. Don't wait for the sun. Don't wait for the sun. Baby, don't leave me. Just dance and believe in it. Get on up, baby. You'll get it. Get on up, baby. You'll get it. Get on up, baby. Come on. Let's get it on. Let me show you how. Get on up, baby. You get it. Get on up, baby. You get it. Get on up, baby. Come on. Let's get it on. Let me show you how.
Coming to you live from my RV, and I've been doing a little bit of modification, remodeling you might say, to the RV, and I've lightened it up a lot. And what I've used here today is this Peel and Stick Wallpaper. Went up really well. I really like how it lightened up this slider pocket here. Before it looked like you're in a little cave when you sat down in it. And notice I don't have the window coverings up right now, the valances and stuff. I'm going to make some modifications to those. I believe I've got those back here, the valances, they're all back here stacked up, and I think what I want to do is cut the arms or the legs coming down off of them that go down the window sides. I want to cut them off shorter and just have the valances at the top section. So we'll see how that goes. That'll be in the next video or one coming right up. Alright guys, this is how it looks coming up. I got this whole pocket slider section complete, and when you step up here it looks a whole lot brighter. Notice I even got up above here on that strip above the molding, and it brightens it up quite a bit. See if you can notice the texture on it. It does have a texture, cloth texture finish. and it's kind of like a sandy gray color and white. Everything worked out well. Even did this section here.
You only want to chase the feeling again. Let's be friends. You only need what's best for you and not them. Don't pretend. Now I don't wanna lose sleep, thinking about everything we could be. Let's just see what comes to be. She said we're all made in Hollywood, fake loving and hating on silver screens, believing everything we come to see. Go outside, it feels so good. We're loving and hating and making scenes. Now we just see everything we believe. 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 We just see everything. You seem so rehearsed, but do you really care? I always feel like you're never aware. You're a part of me, but we're so apart. Where is your heart? I don't wanna lose sleep, thinking about everything we could be. Let's just see what comes to be. She said we're all made in Hollywood, fake loving and hating on silver screens, believing everything we come to see. Go outside, it feels so good.